All of the various aspects of configuration for the events system are gathered together into what's referred to as a project. Entuity provides all of the out-of-the-box event configuration settings in the form of a default project, which is assigned version number 1. Subsequent customization of the event configuration results in the creation of new projects, each being allocated a unique version number. Changes to the project can be recorded in an archive at any time using this control, and a suitable description will also be prompted for. Changes to the live event system configuration do not take effect until the administrator opts to deploy those changes. It's also possible to save the changes and deploy in one operation using this control. If I switch screens using this link, you'll see that the contents of the project archive can be displayed, and this also provides a way to roll back to a previous version of the configuration if required for any reason. Let's go back to the main screen. I'm going to make a minor change to the current event system configuration by changing the period over which the port state changes are counted to determine whether a port is flapping. The rule for the flapping configuration is held within the pre-storage folder and a further folder called flapping. Here it is, and I can edit that rule, and you'll see that it's set to 2 minutes. I'll make a change to 1 minute and save it. Assuming that was the only change that needed to be made, I can now proceed to either just save the changes, again using that control, or both save and deploy the new configuration project and enter a description to explain the change. You'll notice that the new project has been given version number 2, and if I need to roll back to any previous project version, I could select it, then click the deploy button. When viewing the project history page, it's also possible to export an entire project as a single XML file, and that can be done using the export button. The reverse operation is also supported, which allows a project file that has already been generated on this or another server to be imported, and that's done using the import button. It's worth noting that only those users that belong to a user group with event administration permission can edit the event system settings and perform the deployment of new projects.